Hey guys, it's me Narelle here and welcome back to a new video. As you can see, this is going to be a very interesting video because I have a very big package in front of me, and this package was kindly sent to me by the lovely Saruru Scribbles here on YouTube. In one of my recent vlogs, I was talking about how I really wanted to make a zine and all that other good stuff, and she kindly wrote in the comments that she had a scanner that she really wasn't using, and if I would like, I could take it off her hands. And I died instantly and came back to life because I'm like, you are too sweet. She didn't have to do this, but oh my gosh, she is just the kindest thing ever. So I will spam her links down below. I will be sending her something back in the mail filled with lots of love. So Saturday, get ready because I'm going to send something equally as big as this. The box may not be big, but the contents will be equally as big because people are just, I can't fathom. But I'm not going to talk as much because I don't want this to be a 30-minute video because it doesn't need to be. But obviously, I covered our addresses because you don't need to know where we live. So let's just get started with the box. I'm gonna try to open it around so I can save the address part, because when I actually send a package to her, I'm gonna have to know what her address is. So yeah, all right, so let's just hope I'm doing this the correct way. And I actually heighten my filming because this is a very large box, so I have to make my filming a lot taller. Okay, I have to cut this part so I can save the address bit. Okay, I got it open. All right, you're gonna open it up. Okay. Alright. Ooh, okay. I see the bubble wrap. Okay, I'm gonna take it out the box. Okay. Hunty. Let's go. Alright, so here's the box. I'm gonna move it over because it's filling up my room quite nicely. As you guys know, I have a small room. My room is legit a square, so I don't have a lot of room in my room. So here is the contents of the package, and here's some lovely, I don't want to say this is cardboard, but it's cardboard. And bubble wrap. I'm actually going to reuse this because since I'm doing a store now, bubble wrap is heavily needed. Alright, so we're going to gently remove all the bubble wrap, and I see stuff. Why? Why do you guys do this to me? Okay, so I'm guessing this is the USB cable that goes with the scanner, but what I'm looking at is these two. I swear, people love me. People love me. So I'm going to open this up because I believe this is a note. So it says, to Narelle with some cute stickers. I swear I love her aesthetic. She has a very, very pretty aesthetic to her stuff. So yes, and I'm going to open this very carefully because I keep all my letters. So let me get closer to the camera. Alrighty. Okay. So, look at that! Isn't that cute? It's so cute! Okay, so she says, hey Narelle, I really hope the scanner has survived its journey with all the bubble wrap and extra padding I've shoved in there, crying face. I'm sorry, but I hope it helped at least in keeping it safe. Hope you're doing well. Some instructions on the other side of the scanner. There is a switch to lock the scanner bar. You need to flip it to unlock it before scanning the first time. You need to install drivers in a program called Canon MP Navigator to use the scanner. Searching the model should bring them up. Good. Thank you for letting me know. At point of writing this, I only know I'm planning on putting some extras in, but not what so. I hope you like whatever I ended up including. Future me better do a good job. Thank you for giving this scanner a new home. I'm glad it went to someone who could use it rather than the recycling station down the road. I had my laugh for today, but I enjoyed that note. It's so cute. Again, her aesthetic is just so pleasing. So I'm gonna put the note back in the envelope. I still want to laugh because that was funny. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to put it over here with all of my stuffs because yes, and I'm going to get to the extras. All right. So again, she writes some extras again with this pretty stickers. Oh my goodness. All right. So I'm going to open it up. Okay. I actually really like this packaging. Okay. It opens like this. All right. I'm stupid. All right. Alrighty. So we're going to open it up. Okay. I'm going to flip it this way so I won't surprise myself. Okay, no, I can do that. I can't do that. Lord. Okay. All right. So I'm going to pull the first one out. So 1, 2, 3, go. I'm just going to pull it all out. Okay. Oof. Okay. All right. So here's the note. If my phone would focus. I don't remember what I wrote in the first letter. I hope you like the extras. It's so cute. All right. So I'm going to take this off very kindly. I'm going to put this here on a bubble wrap. All right. So we're going to see what this is. So, and a 1. This is very pretty. And a 2. And a 3. Go. Ooh. Okay. I see Tsukino, and I'm already in love. All right. I'm already in love, man. So I'm going to pull it out. All right. And I'm super apologize. My hands are kind of ashy. Oh my god, I don't know why I tried to point that out. But look at the baby Tsukino. I love her. I legit love her. And these are stickers, I believe. They're stickers. Oh my gosh. More stickers for me not to use in my lifetime. But here's Tsukino. And the next one. Oh my gosh, I'm not familiar with this OC of hers. I will look him up because he needs to be named, but he's so cute. She's been doing this little series. I don't know if it's a series, but on her Instagram, she's been spamming these type of characters for the past couple of weeks, and I'm like in love. I'm in love with them. So, oh my gosh, that is cute. So, and the last one is, oh my gosh, these are her gay babies. They're so cute. I swear, I think one of them is named Lucas, and the other one, I cannot remember. In my mind, Logan is popping up, but I know that's not his name, but I will put him on the screen because these are precious. They're so precious. So I'm going to show you the stickers again because they're lovely. All right. I feel like I'm never going to get to the scanner. I'm like, ooh. I'm like dying all over these extras. All right. And this is the last one. And I can tell it's artsu because of the paper. And she signed it on the back. So, 1, 2, and a 3. Phone focus. And focus, please. There we go. And a 3. Go. No! It's okay. If you guys don't recognize this boyo, this precious boyo, by the green hair, you can realize this is a kisei! This is a kisei! Oh, this is a kisei! Ooh. I'm like jumping in my seat. I'm not even sitting down on the seat, but I'm jumping on my floor because oof. I have an unhealthy obsession with drawing this character, and I don't want to take it out the plastic, but I am because I really want to show the drawing without the reflections of my light. So I'm gonna see if I can pull it out and try to keep it safe because I am like not living right now. And it says Gazania boy. I think that's the name of the flowers, Gazanias. I'm gonna look those up because they're beautiful, and I think she did this with with watercolor. Yeah, she did it with watercolor. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. I can't. I legit can't. She draws my characters so much, so better than I draw them myself, and and I'm jelly of her skills. But oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh, this will go in my smaller binder that I have that features all the smaller art that I get from peeps. But oh, I live. Oh my god. Alright, so we're gonna get to the scanner now. That took up a good 10 minutes of this video. So okay, so now we're gonna get to the scanner. Alright, so I think this is the cord, like I said. So I'm gonna put it right there in front of it. And it's nicely wrapped with washi tape, so I can easily just pull this off. Pull this out now. Okay. Ooh, okay. And then she added not bubble wrap, but washi tape to seal it, and bubble wrap on the inside. So, this is a scanner. It's a lot smaller than it seemed on a picture. But, ooh, I'm so excited. I've never had a scanner before, so I'm, like, living right now. But I'm gonna, carefully take this off, because I don't have the programs on my computer, obviously. So I want to use it when I get the programs on my computer, but I'm going to open it up. Oh my gosh, that is legit. That is so legit. So that's what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to install those programs on my computer, and then I'll film me actually scanning something on using this and see if it survived the trip. But it came in such good condition, so I'm like, yeah, it most definitely survived the trip. Alrighty guys, so I'm currently downloading the driver and the program to use the scanner. I don't know how long this is going to take, but this is the next part of the video. So after I'm done with this, I'll come back and show you guys me scanning something. Hey guys, so I have the program up and running. I changed the preferences, mainly the one where the pictures save. So yes, so the picture I'm going to scan is this one. I did this on my live stream a couple of days ago, and since it's ripped out my sketchbook, I feel like it's the perfect one to scan. And let me just say how perfect this looks. Saruru really took care of this scanner. It feels like it just was bought, legit. So I'm going to close the top like so, and I'm guessing all I have to do is click scan, which is what I want to do. All right, and then more preferences, which I'm going to slide up so you guys can see them. Let's see. You can save it as an image. Let's see. All right, and I think that's it. So let's hope this works. So 1, 2, 3, go. And here we go. I'm excited. Okay. And it has to warm up first. So I will try to come back when it's actually scanning the image. So hold on. And it's scanning. That was so quick. Okay. All right. And now it's transferring the image. And I'm wondering if it's going to pop up on the screen, which... Okay, so it actually just saved. All right. Oh, okay. I'm so excited, man. All right. That is not bad. That is literally not bad at all. Oh my gosh, look at that. The colors are legit right. The only thing I really would have to do is edit the saturation and stuff. But other than that, this is pretty dope. I'm gonna try to go, hold on. I'm gonna try to make it bigger for you guys. So hold on just a second. Alrighty guys, so this is how the finished scan looks. Honestly, I'm super happy with this. But like I said, all I have to do is just edit the saturation and brightness to kind of give it the original colors. But oh my word guys, this is legit. I like this. The picture is super clear. Oh my gosh, I'm super legit excited with this, and I cannot wait to keep using it. So yes, Saruru, the scanner lasted the ride, and I'm super happy with it. So that means I can get started making the zine in which I've been telling you guys I want to make. And at the end of this video, I will put the finished image of this at the end so you guys can see the image while edited. So yes. Alrighty, that is it for this video. Thank you so much, Saruru, for the scanner. It's going to get lots of love and lots of care from Nagrel Senpai. But again, I will put the final image all edited and stuff after this clip. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a like if you liked it, and comment down what you think. And please go check out Saruru. Go spam her with lots of love because she deserves it. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.